Are the Rockfon's acoustic wall solutions the right choice for your next building project? With 4 tips and tricks for a quick, easy and perfect installation, we aim to convince you. Tip number 1. What are acoustic wall solutions? These are solutions that are offering room acoustic design and improvement without using the ceiling. Thanks to the specially developed systems, these solutions are quick and easy to install. We can divide the solutions in 2 groups: frameless wall panels and framed wall panels. Tip number 2. Check our multiple installation options. Let's start with the frameless Rockfon System Eclipse wall. The Eclipse panel is 40 mm thick and has an aesthetical square edge. It is available in different shapes and colors. 2 suspension kits are available to create unique patterns and configurations. The direct solution creates a 15 mm gap between the wall and the panel. The stepped solution creates a 65 mm gap. By using a combination of both kits, overlapping wall panels are possible. Mounting of the panel is quick and easy. Fix the wall profile to the wall. Insert the panel fixing profile in the back of the panel. Insert also the distance holder. And place your Rockfon Eclipse on the wall fixing profile. Ready! Nice and easy. There are 3 different framed VertiQ wall solutions. All of them are 40 mm thick and have an extra durable surface covering. They are available in 4 colors: gray, light gray, white and black. The solution with the concealed C edge ensures that the grid is concealed, creating an aesthetical appearance. The HAT variant with the A edge and thick profiles features high impact resistance. The T24 variant with the A edge allows for installation with standard Chicago metallic T24 grid. The first VertiQ solution is Rockfon System VertiQ C Wall. The VertiQ panel is 40 mm thick, has a C edge on the long side, and is 600 mm wide and 2.4 meter long. The anodized aluminium frame has elegant and safe rounded corners. The frame clicks into aluminium brackets that are fitted against the wall. To achieve a level and solid panel construction, 2 connection plates are used to lock adjoining panels together. The connection plates are inserted into the C-edge groove just above the recess at the back edge of the panel. This allows you to demount every single panel independently. Ensure that the walls are smooth and even. Do any smoothing leveling work before installation of the system. The second VertiQ wall solution is Rockfon System VertiQ HAT A Wall. The VertiQ panel is 40 mm thick and has an A edge. The panel is installed using a J channel and 40 mm deep HAT profiles that are fastened first horizontally and then vertically to the wall. Several layouts are possible. For a high impact resistant solution, Rockfon System VertiQ HAT A Wall must be mounted directly onto the wall, leaving no gap behind them, and using 1 mm thick steel HAT and J profiles. Ensure that the walls are smooth and even. Do any smoothing leveling work before installation of the system. The third VertiQ wall system is Rockfon System VertiQ T24 A Wall. The VertiQ panel is 40 mm thick and has an A edge. The panel is installed using a J channel with supporting brackets where required, and standard 38mm high Chicago metallic T24 profiles. These T24 profiles are fastened directly to the wall using T-fixing brackets and supporting brackets where needed. Several layouts are possible. Ensure that the walls are smooth and even. Do any smoothing leveling work before installation of the system. Tip number 3. How to mount the last Rockfon VertiQ C panel. Install all the Rockfon VertiQ C wall panels except for the second to last one. Install the final connection plates about 1 cm above the recesses. Now comes the trick. Use a knife to remove 5 to 6 cm from the top side of each recess on the back of the panel. Put the panel in. Move the connection plates up to secure the panel. Now the last panel is ready. Tip number 4. Did you know that? The Eclipse box contains a pair of gloves so hand marks can be avoided. It also contains a marking tool for quick marking of drilling and anchor points. There is a repair kit available to repair side damaged edges of Rockfon Eclipse islands and contour baffles. Want to see more about our acoustic wall solutions? On our website you can find our system descriptions. On our Instagram channel you can find great case references. For installation videos, take a look at the Rockfon YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the experience. Until next time.